Hey dog, hey Max. G'day viewers, well I finished work a bit earlier today. I'm going to check our smart meter. A little under a month since it was installed, so let's see how much power we've used. Just under a month. Now viewers, I'm the only one home at the moment, so let's see how much power we're actually using. Everything's on standby. I want to see the amps here. Here's to show the amp reading. Firmware revision. Time. They come back to it, it's not what I mean, you've got to hold the button down. They don't tell you that. That's 0.15 amp, 238.5 volts going in, 2.09 amps. That's it there. So 2.09 amps, that's everything in the house on standby. See that little watt hour light flashes. There you go, another watt hour registered. Let's tell you to press the button to show you all these displays. What they don't tell you is when you hold this for a couple of seconds, you get a different menu here. You keep pressing the button to scroll through that menu. Firmware revision, I think that is. Time, and you hold it again, and it should say Alt 2. This takes you your power factor, your voltage input, amps in your house is using, total voltage input from the grid, I think 8.04 amps, it might be the lowest registered. 237.8 volts. It doesn't tell you the total 415 volt line half of it. So it only tells you 01, 02, 03, 05 and 88. There was a couple of other ones in there. So yeah. There's our reading. There's a kilowatt hour reading now. 1,474.0 kilowatt hours I've used. That's our export one, number 5, which is exported. We don't have solar, so that's always going to be 0. I'm going to try and do some more battery popping today, if I get a chance. Oh, cute. Hey Charlotte. Horse, horse, horse. Horse, 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 horse. Oh, cute. Okay, if it wasn't I popped those bloody left batteries, it came from that robot I popped a while ago. A left Noble King, or Noble King, Noble Team. A Noble Team of Corrosion. Now I'm going to charge them with assault for destroying kids' toys with their evil acid and gunk. So let's put them in the electric chair and blow them up. Charge them with assault. Okay, viewers are like flat out. 200 amps. Hopefully that battery can get enough, pass enough current to blow up. Okay, I got the camera lined up here. This is just going to be a little quick one today. So 3, 2, 1. Alright. Alright, too much corrosion. I'll have to jiggle it a little bit to get it to pass some current. Alright viewers, I'll zoom in a little bit on that. If I can hold the camera slow enough, we'll see what happens now. Ah. No, not even the slightest hiss. Focus safety first, to zoom out. Just gently feel it for heat. Ah, it didn't even pass any current. Those batteries are just too far gone then. There's too much bloody corrosion on them. Yeah, they're too far gone, not going to pass any current. Let's pop a bloody circuit board with a welder instead to make up for the the battery's not popping. Plug it in. Welder's on. Try some other popping instead. Whoa! There you go, perfect. Worked better than I thought actually, using the welder to pop stuff. Just got to be careful not to get arc wire. Slow burn out. Yep, that's definitely a good connection there. Epic bang. I am wearing safety glasses. epic bang. This is better than using the mott. No, yeah, mott's better because I can arc. This doesn't arc very good. Must have blown all the path up. No good current path anymore. There we go. Yeah, not enough volts. There we go. Interesting. This is on the 50 volt tap, by the way. Ferrite core trimmers there, the slugs. Yeah, that ground point there is gone. Alright, I might have to find a different ground point, so let's turn the power off and flip it over, see what damage is on to the traces. Arc through the board there. Still got that arm there, is untouched, hasn't changed. Let's try to find the underside, but before I do that, put the 80 volt tap on. This is for heavy duty, heavy steel welding. Should be easy to overcome a bad connection if there is one. Do a test. Blew the traces off the board. Almost as fun as using a big capacitor bank, but not quite as effective. Heatsink. Be careful not to give yourself arc while doing this. Alright. You do got to be careful with the water though, because 80 volts I'm using. You got to be careful. You can get a shock. So, if you're going to use a water for this sort of thing, be very careful. Someone's taken a while to smoke up. Must be a chip. All open circuit. Oh, there we go. That's enough for today, viewers. Okay, the rotor's been unplugged. Yeah, I've dropped the cap. That was a dead short. Hey, look at that. Amps just melted the bloody leads off it. Part of a chip there. Sanyo decoder chip. Got a Sanyo one there. But there you go, I've finished it off. Now another good idea would be a couple of these up in series. If I can find some more, somehow I come across more welders to have a high enough secondary voltage, I can hook them up into a little parallel circuit. So 280 volt ones of these taps, for example, 160 volts. I can blow up 120 volt appliances with it. That'd be cool, but Not very practical because it's hard to get 120 volt appliances here. But anyway, thanks for watching.